Machine angle adjustment. Adjustment of spindle height. Loosen these two screws first, then control the lower rocker to adjust the height of the spindle. Adjustment of spindle panel front and rear position. Loosen these screws on both sides. This adjusts the panel forwards and backwards. Adjusting the panel angle. Loosen the screws on both sides that hold the angle of the machine. Adjustable panel angle. Set the angle to 45 degrees. Fasten the screws on both sides. Adjust the distance between the front and rear of the panel according to whether the angle of material processing is within the processing range of the cutter disc. Adjust the distance between the front and back of the panel. Put the acrylic plate on the polishing machine. Adjust so that the acrylic polishing point plate is perpendicular to the center of the cutter plate. Make the acrylic polishing point and the lower disc in a horizontal vertical line. Then adjust the spindle height. Move the diamond cutter to the inside of the cutter disc. Better protection for diamond knives to prevent tool damage. Adjusting the roughing cutter. Move the spindle up. Let the knife just touch the material surface. After completing the above steps, tighten the two spindle screws. Tighten the 4 screws at the front and rear of the adjustment panel. 2 screws for adjusting the angle. Adjusting the feed speed to 25 extends to alive. Then it can be processed.